All right, so now we're going to look at how we can use some of the built-in functions for arrays. So I'm going to do a new file, arrays.php. All right, do our PHP setup. Okay. So I will have example. Let's go ahead and put in an array that exists. Have over in my notes. All right, and we're going to echo the starting array, and we're going to save that, and we're going to go to here. Do arrays, starting array, nothing. Oh, because I didn't put anything in there. The next line is one of the first sort of like functions you can have, which is print underscore r, and that is the array. And I, of course, want to make this the p, semicolon. There we go. Save it. Look at it. Rewind it. And this is a function to plop out all of the values of the array. Okay. So if we wanted to add something to our array through code, we use a function called push. And this will add it to the end of the array. And so we would type array underscore push, and we say what array, colors, and then we say what's the new value, or what value we're going to pop on that. We can say yellow, and I'm going to just pushed array, or pushed array. We do print underscore r colors, semicolon, save. Why give me some code, dude? All right. I don't know, that error is there. Let's find out. There's no semicolon there. Great. All right, go here, refresh. Now it's red, green, blue, yellow. We see yellow at the end. All right, and if you want to put something at the beginning of the array, it's called unshift. Why is it called unshift? I don't know. Purple, semicolon. So now I'm modifying, I'm putting this at the end, I'm putting this at the beginning. Save it, run it, refresh it. We now see it's purple, red, green, blue, yellow, and it's moved it down the array. I can also remove some items, and I get a value for it. And when I get that value, not only do I get the value, but it pulls it out of the array. So I can have last, which is going to be like the last value of the array, equals array underscore pop colors. And now I can echo last so it'll show up correctly. And then I can then take print r Save that. And you'll see that it went from red to green to blue. Then we pushed it to purple, red, green, blue, yellow. So that has a push and unshift in it. The purple was unshift, the yellow was push. Then I took the value last, and that is yellow. And then when I went and looked at the array again, yellow is removed because I took the value with a pop. And then finally, if I want to take the first one off, I can also say first equals array shift colors. Save. Oh, wrong key. Save that. Echo last, and then what we'll see, we can echo last. We can then echo first. And then we can print the colors. So we pushed the array. Sorry about all these spaces. We got the value for first. Sorry, last there is yellow. First is purple. And now the array is back to where it was because I pulled the values out. I didn't just get the value, but I pulled it out. There's lots of like computer science tricks you can use or ways that you can iterate through things where you're constantly popping things off or pushing things off on your arrays in order to manage your data. But yeah, so that is using built-in functions for arrays in PHP. The next thing we're going to start doing is writing our own functions.